Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to create this look. It was inspired by Brooke L on Instagram. I don't know if you guys know her. She's pretty popular. She's so beautiful, does amazing looks. And I saw this one and I was like, okay, let me try to recreate it. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with Morphe's Translucent Eyelid Primer. Just use a little dot. We're going to blend this out with a beauty blender so it doesn't have to be perfect. To set this, I'm going to use MAC's Star Powder on a Bow Bell E1 fluffy brush. I'm just going to make sure that this can't crease all the way up to the brow bone. So first I'm going to go in with Morphe's Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to start by using this orangey brown. That's the second row, fourth color. I'm going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. Don't worry about going too low because we're going to cut the crease anyway. This is going to be the only color in our crease, so we want to darken it up as much as possible. Grab a clean fluffy brush, and I'm using Morphe's S12. And just make sure everything is blended by your brow bone. So next we're going to cut our crease, and I'm going to be using Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in white on my Anastasia A2 flat concealer brush. So I'm going to start by just placing a bit right on my eyelid and looking up. And then we're just going to connect the inside here. We're not going to start and make it a circle, we're actually going to extend it out a little bit. I'm going to take this Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in blank, and I'm going to retrace my cut crease. So I'm going to be going in with BH Cosmetics Club Tropicana palette, and I'm going to start by going in with this bright yellow in my inner corner. I'm using a Morphe S20 pencil brush for this. So next I'm going to go in with that same flat concealer brush, and I'm going in with this bright green. I'm leaving a little thin white line right above. Next, we're going to blend a little bit of this turquoise color. I'm going to get closer and closer to that white line with these colors. Next, I'm going to go in with this deeper turquoise. This one's more on the blue side. So last, I'm going to go in with this deep bluey purple right on that outer corner. So next I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using this dark brown at the bottom. And I'm just going to be using a crease brush for that. And we're just going to blend this all together. So next I'm going to go into Morphe's 35B palette, And I'm going to take this bright yellow on an eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna color in that white line that we left. So lastly, we're gonna go under our eyes, and I'm just gonna go in with that dark brown that we just used on this same S20 pencil brush. And I'm gonna use a clean fluffy brush just to blend that out. I'm going to take this S12 brush, grab that brown that we used in our crease, and blend out this color. Just gonna blend it all out. So lastly, I'm gonna line my under eye with that white. I'm just gonna go over that white with a little bit more of that yellow shadow. If you don't have a color of eyeliner, this is a really good way to just make your own. I'm just gonna brighten up that inner corner just a little bit more. So we're gonna do a thin liner, and I'm gonna use Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner, the pen end. And just draw a small line. This is just for the lashes to sit on. So next we're gonna go in with lashes, and I'm gonna be using Iconic London's Flawless Lashes. So I'm gonna go in with the other side of that liner and just try and blend that lash into my lid. So lastly, for mascara, I'm going to be using Mally Beauty's Smoky Mama Mascara. Top and bottom. So quickly for bronzer, I'm going to be using Morphe's Bronzer in Front of Me, and I'm going to be using this Rose Gold Edition brush. For highlight, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Pink Sands Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to go in with Azores. I'm going to be using this on an Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. Mine's kind of disgusting. I chose this color because it's a little bit yellower. I'm just going to blend that into my skin. Now I'm going to use this A25 brush for my nose. I'm also going to use this color to highlight my brow bone, and I just dab it in so I can blend it well. If you start to rub, you'll just rub away the eyeshadow. I'm just going to put a bit of a lip balm on my lips and take away that makeup. So for my lips, I'm going to be using MAC's Boldly Bare Lip Pencil and Lip Gloss in Road. So lastly for blush, I'm going to go in with Morphe's Blush Palette, and I'm going to mix Unapologetic and MUA. I'm going to set my face using MAC Fix Plus Gold Light. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, leave comments below if you have any suggestions of other videos you want me to create or other makeup looks you want me to create, whatever you want. But anyway, thank you again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.